up, y'all? It's Mary. You watching Fina Eat, and today we are at Gourmelts. Gourmet grilled cheese, and we're just gonna go right in because it's cold and it smells good. I'm finna eat this. Finna eat this. Finna eat these. I'm finna eat this. So inside it, gourmet melts or gourmelts. My fault, I keep saying it wrong. But they started as a food truck in 2016. They did pretty good for themselves and opened up this location in Cosner's Corner, Fredericksburg. I love the inside. It's pretty cool. Their chairs are cool. They look like, slice of cheese. But they are veteran and wounded warrior, locally owned and operated. So, good people, good business. Now I'm just waiting on the food. All right, everybody, I have Theron here with me today, and he's going to tell us a little bit about everything. I already started eating the brisket.
She did. She took a big bite out of that. Look at that.
And it was good. So he's going to tell you a little bit about it.
Mm-hmm. So this is a beef brisket bomber. As you can see, this is, we have beef, we have barbecue sauce, which is house made. We have pickles. We also have a coleslaw that is also made in-house. Everything's made in-house.
Awesome.
Everything.
That's why it's so good.
In-house.
That's why it's so good.
And I'm gonna tilt this a little bit, and we have our loaded potato soup here, which is topped off with sour cream, cheese, green onions, and bacon and ham. Mm-hmm.
I know I seen ham on the outside. It's not just bacon.
Oh no,
it's good.
It's both. Yeah. For dessert, we have, which is my forte. We have a chocolate crunch cake with a light chocolate mousse in the middle, and we have chocolate shavings on top. I don't know if they're Hershey's. I think they might be Hershey's. I don't know, but either way, it's still good. It's still good.
I believe it. It looks good. It was a hard choice, honestly, because y'all have like 8 different ones over there. Mm-hmm. All of them look amazing. They all look amazing.
Yeah, that's why they call us Gourmelts.
How long have y'all been here?
We've been here since February.
Oh, so it hasn't been long at all. Mm-hmm. It hasn't been long at all. Mm-hmm. Y'all been doing good?
We've been doing very well.
That's awesome.
Very, very well. We actually just changed up the recipe to our chicken and waffle sandwich, and that's actually been getting a lot of news lately. So people have literally been coming here just for that. That's our draw.
Another reason for everybody to come. Mm-hmm. I didn't get that one, but this one's just as good. Mm-hmm. Probably, maybe, I don't know, but we'll find out next time I come, because that's what I'll get.
Oh, she'll be here. She'll be here next time.
But thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you, talking with me. I know. You gotta get back to work.
Yeah, I gotta go to work.
But yeah, thank you for talking with me.
You're welcome.
Yay.
You're welcome. Anytime. Thank you guys. I appreciate that.
Thank you. Ooh, it's juicy. So I'm finna take a bite of this beef brisket bomber. As you can see, it's all nice and juicy. The meat is super tender, super juicy. The coleslaw is nice and crunchy. This loaded potato soup's nice, thick, rich. It's a nasty rainy day out too, so perfect time. This sandwich, what I get again? I got the beef brisket bomber. So good. The slaw with the crunchiness, meat juicy, tender, bread perfectly toasted. I'm not even I'm not even slicing nothing. This shit is just really good. Alright. So, in conclusion, Gourmelts is awesome. They're in Cosmos Corner, Fredericksburg. My bad. I got the bomber. It was the bomb. Loaded potato soup. Awesome. And it's cake. On point. So, I'ma finish without y'all in my face. I love you though. I'll see y'all next time. Click them buttons, like, comment, subscribe, request, all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.
Awesome, thank you. And you had a brisket bomb, right?
Yeah, exactly. Doing the vlog, so I want to let y'all know. It was really good.
Cool, I appreciate it.
Oh my God, I thought I was scared.
Oh no.
We have another lady to come here. It looked just like you, but
look
with,
a lot
with,
alike.
with the curly hair.
Oh, really?
I said, oh my
One of
God,
her
she
regulars,
straight the
yeah.
hair. I hear that you was,
She must be beautiful. No,
oh yes, she is, just like you. I hear that you been taping.
Yeah,
Why you don't be taping eyes?
I'm taking you now.
Oh, you are.